It is as early as 6 a.m. in China. Yeah, almost 7 a.m. by the way. It's still dark anyway, and it's as chilly cold. Very cold. But what you're seeing right now is a stack of or a pile of trains that are ready to move intercity, inter-provinces throughout the whole China. Crew members are ready to move to transport me and many other passengers that will be moving. Some people are working from other cities, but they wake up as early as 5 a.m., come here, take the train, go to work, and return on time. These trains, some of them travel as fast as 300 km per hour. That's more than 200 miles per hour anyway. Some even travel faster if you go to Shanghai, Beijing, and the rest. But let's stick with it. I'm going to descend to get my train. Well, I'm already descending. And you can see as many as them metal snakes as I've come to call them. And, well, maybe our friendship with the West gave us much more citizenry freedom, but less more of economic freedom through dilapidated infrastructure and more. But what if our leaders could find a synergy to tap these two resources at the same time? More citizenry freedom from the West and then East by getting some of these infrastructures. Well, anyway, let me enjoy the ride by the way. Yes, they are beautiful, aren't it? Let me also go and check out my seat number first, and let's continue later. But for now, you can enjoy the view. So you see, like I said, not only are they timely, because this train is supposed to leave at 6:50 and it will leave at exactly 6:50 on the dot. If you come late, you missed it. If you come early, well, you enjoy the convoy like I'm doing right now. Another fact, while some of these materials that were used to build these trains, well, some of them probably came from Germany, most of them are here, locally built. And so they thought that, well, China can make anything good, cannot make anything good. Well, it's a lie. They make good things and affordable, durable things here. Well, if you care to know, I've been here for the past 10 years, and so, well, I know much more than a lot of people will know. And so let's keep enjoying it while you watch. So what is my point? The caption of this video is that why does Africa maybe need to much more befriend China even more? Well, we can enjoy press freedom and all from the West, but let's befriend them and take on and be much more intensified in terms of getting economic freedom for our people. I don't want to make this episode very long, and you just keep enjoying it, but I hope you can share this and let our leaders get to know that maybe what we have been long waiting for will come from China in a way. I'll see you in my next video. My name is BWT-African, and see you when I return. For now, let me enjoy my train ride. We are moving on the way.
Welcome to the Fuxing train. If you need any help, please look up the service guide by scanning the QR code on the handrail or talk to the attendants. Smoking is not allowed on the train. Please protect the facilities on the train and don't touch the devices with
This is why Africa needs to be friend China. we need just 5 of these for the whole continent, then we'll be fine. First of all, friendship with the West didn't get us things like this. All we had was freedom. It's good, but I think now we need it. So let's befriend the West for freedom, and befriend China for these things. Just look at this. Where's my seat anyway?